What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix your microphone if it's not working on Windows 10. Alright, I got 3 tips if how to fix your problem with that one. Well, it's not just 3 tips, maybe I think it's about 4 tips. Okay, to fix your microphone problem in Windows 10. Okay? But of course, my dear friends, before we proceed, if this is your first time to visit my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this channel, I'm always uploading video tutorials about computers and more. Okay? So without much ado, let's do this one. How to fix microphone problem in Windows 10. So my dear friends, the first tip is of course check your sound settings. Okay, make sure that you can see an icon here in which it looks like a microphone icon. If you cannot see an microphone icon there, definitely your mic is not working. Okay, open sound settings here in speakers, headphones. Right click this one, then open sound settings. Okay. Then in here we can see input. Choose your input device. The default microphone in Windows 10 is microphone Realtek audio. Okay, you can also see it here. You may also conduct a test your microphone. Right, my microphone is not working. It's working. Okay, you may also run a troubleshooter by only clicking this one. It will automatically detect if what's the problem on your microphone. Okay, the next one, my dear friends, that's our first tip. Okay, open sound settings. All right, next tip, my dear friends, change your microphone privacy settings. All right, in Cortana search bar, type in microphone. There you go. Microphone privacy settings. Click on this one. There you go. Make sure that this one is always being turned on. Okay? Because it will let you allow your applications to use your microphone. That's our second tip. Okay? Microphone privacy settings. Third one, my dear friends, check your browser's settings. Okay, especially if you are using Google Chrome, make sure that Google Chrome is make sure that your microphone is allowed with Google Chrome. Okay, so this is how to check your browser settings to make sure that everything is being turned on. Make sure that everything is being allowed. Right, so that's our third tip, okay? Browser settings. The fourth tip, my dear friends, is that check your audio input and output in the device manager, okay? Using your Cortana search bar, type in device manager. Right. And then in here, my dear friends, look for audio inputs and outputs. Double click on this one and you can see my built-in microphone Realtek Audio. Click on this one, okay? Double click, then proceed to driver. You may also update the driver, okay? Click update driver. And here, search automatically for drivers, or you may also browse my computer or browse your computer for drivers if you've already downloaded a driver. But if you don't have any driver installed in your device yet, you are about to download a new driver, then connect your device first, your laptop in the internet, then click search automatically for drivers. Now, if you already have a driver, browse on computer, let me pick available drivers. There you go. We have different, I have two drivers there. Installing drivers. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close that one. Okay? And then check your microphone again. Alright? But if you are also using an external headphone or microphone, then you may just then check the settings. You may just then select the name of the microphone that you are using. Okay, so that's it for now, my dear friends. Hope you've learned something, and see you again next time.